Hey, it's Felicia from Libbieandco, and I'm doing an unboxing of the April Mystery Kit that has shipped today and should be at everybody's house probably within the next couple of days. So there's a lot going on, but I think this is such a beautiful kit. First thing we have is the Sharpie Ultra Fine. It's black. Everybody can use black. I'm sorry, my hand can never open these because of my accident. But there's the tip. All right, that's the marker. And then we did a notepad. Just jot down your to-dos or any little lists you want to make. And then here's the clip from Lovely Little Planners. She did it today, just standard. Can mark it for whatever you need it for. And then a die cut April month. So you could see all the days of the week. It's so pretty. This is just beautiful. And then I have die cuts as well. And then a little clip. And then the flower and books. And tea time. And then a little planner. Look how pretty. I just love this kit. Okay, and then we have the actual kit. 13 pages. My battery may be dying, so I'm trying to go as fast as I can. Oh, sugar. Okay. So this was the giveaway. And they're little checklists, as you can see. I'm just going to put these back because my stickers are removable, so I can just put it right back on here. Sorry. All right, so this is the giveaway. They're little checklists, 4 to a little strip in the happy stripe colors. And then here's the kit. So you have the deco. Look how pretty. And then you got the Libby girls and flags and to do, to call, to go, arrows, habit trackers, and little icons. And then here are your date covers and your sidebar. This kit, I'm telling you, this kit's gorgeous. These are your full box checklists, and then these are like little clipboards, so if you don't want to make a little list or just write something, you can do that. And then little flags. I try to use all the space possible. And then your little things, and then your weekend banners, and some appointment flags, and little square flags. And then your checklist, and hydrate, and your work, and little appointment boxes. And then your big flags, little flags, bill dues, and all more appointment boxes. These I changed out. I added these little ones this time because I love these. And then here's your bottom washi and more appointment stickers. You got your scalloped, your quarter boxes, and then your skinnies. And then, of course, you have all your little icons. I added the wine o'clock. I added this little planner. I think these were there before. I can't remember. I thought I added something else. Maybe not. Okay, and then you have your to-do today, and then your blank headers, and then here are your full boxes, and this came in light skin and dark skin, and this says bloom where you are planted. And then you have your glitter, and your washi strips and half boxes. So this is the kit for this month. Next month's go on sale this weekend. I'm not sure what day yet, so I'm not saying, maybe Saturday or Sunday. I'm going on the road tomorrow, so I'm going to try for Saturday or Sunday. But 13 pages, you've got the die cuts, you've got your giveaway, you have your calendar die cut, you have your clip, you have your notepad, and a Sharpie. And I also have come out with TN mystery kits. They are currently on sale, and They should be on sale until Saturday. They come in the B6 and the pocket. So you just go to Libbieandco printable, and that's where they'll be on sale. I hope you have a great Easter, and I hope you love this kit as much as I do.